But you should also ask yourself, are you giving up the best period of focus that you have each day naturally to some other thing like social media or some other activity that doesn't serve you well? Or are you devoting that period to the opportunity to learn? You should also ask yourself whether or not you're trying to focus too much for too long during the day. I know some very high-performing individuals, very high-performing in a variety of contexts, and none of them are focused all day long. Many of them take walks down the hallway, sometimes mumbling to themselves or not paying attention to anything else. They go for bike rides. They take walks. They are not trying to engage their mind at maximum focus all the time. Very few people do that because we learn best in these 90-minute bouts inside of one of these ultradian cycles. And I should repeat again that within that 90-minute cycle, you should not expect yourself to focus for the entire period of one 90-minute cycle. The beginning and end are going to be a little bit flickering in and out of focus. How do you know when one of these 90-minute cycles is starting? Well, typically when you wake up is the beginning of the first 90-minute cycle, but it's not down to the minute. You'll be able to tap into your sense of these 90-minute cycles as you start to engage in these learning practices, should you choose. And then, of course, getting some non-sleep deep rest or just deliberate disengagement, such as walking or running or just sitting eyes closed or eyes open, kind of mindlessly, it might seem, in a chair, just letting your thoughts move around after a learning bout will accelerate the rate of plasticity. That's been shown in quality peer-reviewed studies.